Hello friends, welcome back again. I hope you all are doing good. In this video we are going to learn how can we log in Slack. So let's get started. Once you open the Slack, you will get this page. Go to the login option on the top right corner. Here you will see this, you will get this page. You have to add your email and click here login with email. Also you can create an account for free here. Also you can sign in with Slack, sign in with Microsoft and sign in with Google. So I am choosing this one. You have to choose an account if you are going with Google, and you have to add your first name here. Now last name, click on continue. Which of these options describes what you are looking for the most? So choose any option. How would you describe your content role? Here you have to again choose any option, and so here you can see you are with the Slack app and you can just use this app for your use. So that's it for this video guys. I hope it was great help to you. Thanks for watching this and I will see you in the next video.